DB, some of you can write here DBC, whatever the sequence, that does not matter. Okay, if the sequence change, okay, the answer will be changed, but answer is not wrong. Understand all of you? If the sequence is changed, the answer will be changed, but answer is not wrong. Okay, so so this is the algorithm, and now the next, the working of BFS. So you can see this is a graph A, B, C, D, E, F. Six node is there, and this is a connected graph. That means no direction is there. Okay. So that is why we can move from anywhere to anywhere. That means if we can move A to B because A and B is connected and there is no direction, so we can move from B to A also. Okay. But because there is no connection between B and C, we cannot move from B to C or B to E or B to F. Understand? So this is the this rule should be coming from the graph itself. So first of all, suppose we choose the A. Okay, according to the alphabetically, we just choose A, and A should be insert in the queue at front position. Okay, and thereafter after A, we have to think from A we can visit where? We can visit from A, B and the C, these two nodes. So when we have to insert these two nodes B and C, that time we have to remove from A, and the A will be visited already. So in the right side, all these things are visited, and left side we have used the queue only. Okay. So first time we have to insert the first node that is selected. You can start from F also. So you have to write here F. First time you have to insert F, and thereafter from F where you can move or where you can reach. That should be that particular node, maybe one or maybe more than one node will be inserted the queue. Before to insertion, we have to delete the front position value. Okay, so you can see here from A we can move B and C. So A is removed from the queue. That means A is already visited, and thereafter we insert B and C into the queue. Okay, so here B and C is there, so B C, and thereafter again we have to think from B where we can visit. So you can see from B we can uh, move to A node and move to D node. Okay, so that means A, because of A is already visited, so we have to ignore this one, ignore the A node, and we have to insert the D node. Before to insert, we have to delete the B. So when we delete the B, the front will be increment its value. So right now front is at C is at front position, and new element, when we new element D is inserted, that is under the rear position. Okay, so now hmm, next we go for the next front position value, that is C. So when we consider as a from C, so we can move A and E only. Okay, so you can see D is already under this queue, and that is at rear position, but we have to think only the front position, because who come first, that will be removed first. So first in, first out. As far as that rule, C is at front position, that is this will be considered first. Okay, so from C we can move A, and that is already visited, so ignore this. Then the new element E that is not visited, that should be inserted into the queue. But before insertion, we have to delete the queue. Delete the queue. After deletion, the C will be, the front will be take a increment and come into the position of D, where D is here, and same time E will be inserted and rear will be come into the position where E is stored. Okay, and same time C will be deleted from the queue and stored into the visited array or visited list, that is A, B, C, all three are already visited. And thereafter, wherever the font and their position, the value is D, that is the node. And from D node, we can we can move towards B and the F. Because of B is already visited, and we have to write that because of B is already visited, and that is within the visited list or visited array. So we have to ignore the B, and new element F will be inserted. During this process, before the insertion, the D will be eliminated, front will be increment its value, and now front point at E node, and D is removed from the queue and stored into the list of visited array or list of visited list. Okay, so now after that, from under the front or front is denoted, E is here, and during this consideration, from E we can move C and F, both is already no, actually C is already visited, so that is why we have to ignore that. And same time F is already within the queue, so no node or no new node is not inserting in this queue data structure. Okay, so thereafter we have to take only a delete operation, that is front will be incremented its value and come into the rear and front position. The value is F, and E will come into the visited array or visited list. And same thereafter, from F, if we consider D and E, both is already visited, so no new element will be stored into the queue, and that time again we have to take a remove operation, and after remove of F, the list will be, that means the queue will be empty, and F will be stored into the queue, sorry, the F will be stored into the visited array or visited list. So you can see A, B, C, D, E all are visited, because all this node under the visited array or visited list. So we can say A, B, C, D, E, all the node are visited. So this is the process that is over. So just before, this is the algorithm, and this is the process how we will traverse throughout the list or throughout the graph. Okay, and thereafter, if you choose in the starting node is another, suppose from C, so first element will be C, so sequence will start from C, so A, B, C, D, E, or C, another sequence that is starting from C, that is also, if they are have six node, so that is also the answer of visiting or traversing throughout the list with a different sequence. Okay, but both is right. Okay, so sequence that does not matter. You have to visit all the node, and you have to every time you have to follow the rule, that is wherever the starting node, thereafter particular that node where we can reach or where we can visit, and that number of node, maybe one node, maybe more than one node, will be inserted into the queue, and before insertion the previous node will be removed or delete from the queue and stored into visited array or visited list. Clear? And thereafter again you have to follow the front positions node, and again we have to consider from that particular node where we can move, and Those are those new node from that particular node. Those are the new node. New node means that node is not inserted into the queue data structure as well as the visited array or visited list. If the node is new, not available into the queue data structure and not available into the visited array or visited list, then the new element will be inserted into the rear position. Yeah.